Are you tired of living with joint pain, stiffness, or inflammation? Discover the Arthritis Strategy, a holistic program that promises effective relief without medications. This program is designed to help alleviate the root causes of arthritis and improve your overall well-being. The Arthritis Strategy offers an innovative approach that combines dietary changes, lifestyle adjustments, and natural remedies. With practical steps, you can reduce pain, regain flexibility, and enhance your quality of life. 3 main benefits make the Arthritis Strategy stand out. 1. It reduces pain and swelling quickly with anti-inflammatory foods and lifestyle changes. 2. It improves mobility through gentle exercises and movement routines. 3. It supports cartilage repair, promoting long-term joint health. How does it work? The program guides you through a structured 21-day plan. You'll follow steps including dietary tweaks, gentle exercises, and stress reduction techniques that target inflammation and enhance joint function. The Arthritis Strategy can be used in various ways. Use the inflammation calculator to track your progress. Follow the structured meal guides and shopping lists to adopt a nutrition plan that supports joint health. Incorporate low-impact exercises like yoga or Tai Chi to enhance flexibility and strength. Key takeaways highlight the Arthritis Strategy's unique approach to joint health management. With a one-time payment of $49, you gain lifetime access to the program, ensuring you have all the tools necessary for your arthritic journey. Ready to reclaim your life from arthritis pain? Click the link below to try the Arthritis Strategy today.